Guangzhou Berlin Auto Parts Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2006, a modern enterprise specializing in manufacturing automotive air conditioning compressors, locates in Guangzhou, 5 kilometers away from the Baiyun International Airport, and more than 200 staff, including professional technicians specialized in R&D. Our company has passed ISO TS 16949 certifications. It is one of the few domestic fully automated manufacturers. It has a variety of advanced manufacturing and testing equipment, which include Japanese fully computerized assembly lines, machining center, Taiwan test bench, Germany helium leak detectors, ultrasonic cleaning machine, vacuum impregnation equipment, coordinating and measuring instrument, metallurgical microscope, pneumatic measuring instrument, vibration test, salt spray testing machine, etc. We have strict quality control. We have technology and management control over sample surveying and mapping, mold development, blank processing, performance tests. We have 3 types of products which are internal controlled, variable displacement compressor, externally controlled variable displacement compressor, and fixed displacement compressor. We strive to obtain our customers' approval with our steady quality, competitive price, and excellent service. Our products are exported to Europe, South and North America, Middle East and Southeast Asia, etc. Adhering to the purpose of development bases on quality, reputation relies on credibility, and the management principle of to create value for our customers, staff, and partners. We will transform the advanced technologies into high-quality products to serve the society and contributes to the development of automotive industry.